Amaji Samatun Tain, Radio Voice of St. London.
This is Dr. Terry Jackson. Please tune in. Yazir Kazi. Please listen to this show. This is a very informative show and it will change your life.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent, the most kind, one who gives us the pain, one who relieves from that pain. And every pain is from His side, every blessing is from His side, and He is aware of everything what we do. You are listening to Radio Voice of St. London, the radio station which disseminates the pains, the sorrows, the happinesses, the bliss of sin regarding sin, and every color, every fragrance related to sin, every aroma related to sin throughout the globe, throughout the world. And this is Indus Melodies, the weekly English radio show being broadcasted every Saturday from Radio Voice of St. London. And this is me, Yasir Kazi, the host and the executive producer, the compiler, the designer of this show, and saying you all Assalamu alaikum, Haq Majood, Namaskar, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Mujrosa, and welcome to the show. How are you, listeners? I hope you are good and you had a productive and fabulous week, and now you have started a tremendous weekend, and wish you good luck for your weekend. I hope this is a relaxing weekend and also a productive weekend, because a lot of things you can do during your weekend. Also, along with giving time to your family, you can do a lot of things which could be productive. So, not only the working week, but also your weekends can be productive. This is Saturday, Rabiul Sani, the 12th of Rabiul Sani, 1442 as per Hijra calendar. As far as the Sindhi calendar, the local calendar, the Bakrami calendar is concerned, this is the month of Manghur, which is also called Nahiri, and this is 15th of Manghur or Nahiri. Means exactly we are at the half of Manghur or Nahiri, and the year is 2077, and this is 11th month of 2020, which is the second last month of 2020, November, and this is 28th of November. We are about to end November, because right after 2 days we would be entering the last month of 2020, and then after this pathetic year we would be entering 2021, and hopefully that would be a healthy year, that would be a productive year, and happy new year in advance for all of you. This is program number 13 of season number 1 of Indus Melodies, and let me share with you the voices which would be the part of today's show. You would be listening the voices of Saif Samejo, Diba Sahar, Tufail Hussain, not Tufail Sanjrani but Tufail Hussain, Rubina Najaf Ali, Shabana Kausar, Rahmat Mirali, Mazhar Hussain, Humaira Sarang, Muhammad Yusuf, Rehana Yasmin, Zulfiqar Ali, Abida Parveen, Feroz Gul, and Runa Laila. And some of the lyricists which would be decorating today's show would be, of course, Hazrat Shah Latif Bhitai, the greatest poet of Sindh. His poetry is always a part of every of our show. Then Sheikh Ayaz, Muhammad Siddiq Musafir, Zulfiqar Sial, Imdad Hussaini, Hafiz Hamid Shah, Taj al-Bewas, and others. Let's start with the kalam, with the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, and these are the verses from the very first chapter, Kalyan, sung by Saif Samejo. Let's hear to these verses. Awal Allah Alim.
Allah Alim, Ala Alam Jo Dhani, Qadir Panji Qudrat Si, Qaim Aaye Qadeem, Wali Wahid Wahdahu राज़िक़ रब रहीम सो सारा सच्चो धणी चई हमद हकीम करे पाण करीम जोड़ूं जोड़ जहान जी अखर पढ़ अल्फ जो वर्क सब विसार अंदर तू जार पना पढ़ने के तेरा जेरी यूं ही जरूर है अल्लाह जेरी यूं ही जरूर है अल्लाह ओ जी जल्ले है किए रह दो पीरी याने जेरी यूं ही जरूर है अल्लाह मन में मुश्ताक़न जे ओ साजन तुहे जो सूर आए अल्लाह साजन तुहे जो सूर आए अल्लाह ओ नी जल्ले आए किए रह दो पीरी याने जेनिया हुआ जरूर है अल्लाह जी लतीफत जी सारा
Alright folks, so we started with the voice of Saif Samejo singing the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. In fact, the very start of the poetry collection of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, which is called Shah Jo Risalo. Risalo means Pagham. Pagham means message, the message of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. And the very first chapter of the Risalo, of the poetry collection of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, is Kalyan, Sur Kalyan, the melody of Kalyan. And these were the starting verses written by Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, sung by Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, starting with the verse of Awwal Allahu Alim. He is the very first. Nobody is before him. He was the very first. He is the most ancient. He is the oldest. He is Almighty Allah, the Creator, Alim. And He knows everything because He is the knower of everything. He knows everything. He is the greatest scholar of all the universes. Ala Alam Jodhani. He is greatest of the greats. Alam Jo Dhani, and he is, Dhani means master, master of all the universes which are created by him, which we know or we don't know. That is not necessary that we know all the universes, because there are a lot of galaxies, there are a lot of universes about which we don't know, and the world would keep exploring about those worlds. We are unaware of those worlds, but those are created by Almighty Allah. So we started as per our tradition with the name of Allah, with these Hamdiya Abiyat, with these Hamdiya verses written by Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, sung by, read by, presented by, rendered by Saif Samejo. Samejo. You are listening to Indus Melodies, live from Radio Voice of Sindh, London, and this is our weekly show in which we are moving forward with this Dhamal sung by Deba Sahar. And Dhamal is a genre of Sindhi music which is an special tribute to Lal Shehbaz Qalandar, one of the oldest saints from this land who originally belonged to Marwand Sharif of Afghanistan but migrated, and he traveled a lot throughout the world and he spread the message of truth and humanity, human loving, and at last he came to Panjgur, Balochistan, and for last 6 months of his life he lived at Sevan Sharif and then he passed away there. He's buried there, and then Sevan became the identification of Lal Shehbaz Qalandar and he became an identity of the land. Now he is considered and called to be Sindhuri Da Sevan Da, Lal Shehbaz Qalandar from Sevan Sharif. So we are moving forward with this mystic message sung by Deba Sahar, and this is Dhamal. This is a spiritual song sung by Deba Sahar, and we are including this song for all of you in Indus Melodies. Let's hear to this.
Big hand. यानी तो सब हाल
जाने तो सब हाल तू. You know everything, Lal Shehbaz Qalandar. Therefore, I have come to your doorsteps for the solution of my problems. Please solve my problems. These were the lyrics which were sung by Diba Sahar, and this was a Dhamal, which is an spiritual song sung as a tribute to Lal Shehbaz Qalandar. You are listening to Indus Melodies. This is me, Yasir Qazi, with you, welcoming you all to this show. Now let's include the poetry of Sachal Sarmast, one of the poets of the series of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, about whom Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai once said, this is a tradition that he said because Sachal Sarmast was too small, he was too young, and Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai was the friend of his grandfather Mia Salahuddin, and he said that whatever I have said, he will say it more boldly. So this is the kalam of Sachal Sarmast sung by Tufail Hussain, and this is a Sraiki kalam. Let's listen to this.
जोगी आया केड़े दिसदा जोगी आया केड़े दिसदा नाला जात न दसदा वे म्या जोगी आया केड़े दिसदा जोगी आया केड़े दिसदा नाला जात न दसदा वे म्या जोगी आया केड़े दिसदा जोगी आया केड़े दिसदा कन विच कुंडल वे म्या मुख विच मुरलिया कन विच कुंडल वे म्या मुख विच मुरलिया गली गली पिया नचदा वे म्या जोगी आया केड़े दिसदा जोगी आया केड़े दिसदा नाला जात न दसदा वे म्या जोगी आया केड़े दिसदा जोगी आया केड़े दिसदा भिखिया नी वे म्या वेंदा जे कोई अला देंदा भिखिया नी वे म्या देंदा जे कोई अला दिल आशा दरी खस जावे म्या जोगी आया केड़े दिसदा जोगी आया केड़े दिसदा नाला जात न दसदा वे म्या जोगी आया केड़े दिसदा जोगी आया केड़े दिसदा सचल साईं वे म्या नूर इलाही अला सचल साईं वे म्या नूर इलाही अला हादी हर हंद वसदा वे म्या जोगी आया केड़े दिसदा जोगी आया केड़े दिसदा नाला जात न दसदा वे म्या जोगी आया केड़े दिसदा जोगी आया केड़े दिसदा नाला जात न दसदा वे म्या जोगी आया केड़े दिसदा जोगी आया केड़े दिसदा
So, listeners, you were listening the poetry of Sachal Sarmas by Tufail Hussain in Indus Melodies, a weekly show being broadcasted from Radio Voice of Sindh, London, every Saturday, 3 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time, 3 in the afternoon as per Pakistan Standard Time, and that is repeated at 10 in the night, 10 o'clock at night as per Pakistan Standard Time, 3:30 p.m. as per Indian Standard Time, and 10:30 p.m. in repeat broadcast as per Indian Standard Time, 2 p.m. and 9 p.m. in UAE, United Arab Emirates, 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. as per UK Standard Time, United Kingdom Standard Time after the day saving hour, because after 31st October, day saving hour is adopted in United Kingdom and some of other countries also, and which is again rechanged in the month of March. So this is an annual practice to save the hour, day saving hour. So as per new day saving hour change, now Indus Melodies is being broadcasted from UKE at 9 in the morning, 9 o'clock in the morning, and 4 p.m. in the evening, 4 o'clock in the evening, and as per Eastern Time in Washington DC, New York City, Toronto, and other cities and the vicinities of these cities. This show is broadcasted at 6 o'clock in the morning, 6 in the morning, and 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We are moving towards the voice of Rubina Qureshi, and Rubina Qureshi, the nightingale of Wadi-e-Mehran, Bulbul-e-Mehran, is singing the beautiful ghazal written by Sheikh Ayaz, Akhyun Arzu, Akhyun Iltijaun. There are desires in the eyes. There's a lot of requests in the eyes, but there should be somebody to read those desires and those requests. Sung by Rubina Qureshi. Let's listen to Sheikh Ayaz.
क्यों आरज़ू क्यों इल्तिजा क्यों आरज़ू क्यों इल्तिजा क्यों इल्तिजा क्यों यारत हैं जो सदन जो सदा क्यों आरज़ू क्यों इल्तिजा क्यों इल्तिजा सुनाते मसाइल खुदा खुश रखे खुश रखे वञो था करे देश तोखे दुआ वञो था करे देश तोखे दुआ क्यों आरज़ू क्यों इल्तिजा क्यों इल्तिजा अमानत अथई इहो जंग
folks. Welcome to Indus Melodies. You are listening to Indus Melodies live from Radio Voice of Sin London, and this show is broadcasted from the website of Radio Voice of Sin London through its live stream channel, which is radiovoiceofsin.blogspot.com/p/blog-page.html. I'm repeating, radiovoiceofsin.blogspot.com/p/blog-page.html. And the alternate broadcast of this radio show and my shows is my YouTube channel, which is with the name of Yasir Qazi, YASIRQAZI, or if you want to directly type the address in the address bar, that is youtube.com/FMWQY. This is the voice of Najaf Ali, and the song says, please remember when we met for the very first time. What was that situation? Please remember that situation. Here we go.
याद त कर, तू याद त कर, तू याद त कर.
This is Dr. Terry Jackson, and you're listening to Yazir Kazi. Please listen to this show. This is a very informative show, and it will change your life.
All right, listeners, in Indus Melodies, we were listening to the voice of Najaf Ali, who was reminding his beloved the very first situation where they met each other. Actually, the lyrics were written by the poet, and Najaf Ali was one who interpreted these words. So, this can be the interpretation of many of the listeners who listen to this song. And this is Shabana Kausar singing Udhma Dil Mein Aag Lagain. The desires are burning my within. Here we go. So, folks, the voice of Shabana Kausar in Indus Melodies, and Indus Melodies is being broadcasted from Radio Voice of Sin London. This is me, Yasir Kazi, with you, welcoming you all to the show and requesting you all to please take care of yourself, your health, your nears and dears, your friends and family from Corona, from the second wave of COVID-19. And I would keep reminding you, because this is a very dangerous wave and almost every other individual is going to be the victim of COVID-19. So please take care of yourself and don't get infected and don't infect others. So please make sure you wear face mask and use hand gloves, and you sanitize whatever you bring at your home, your usables, and whatever you use, please sanitize everything to prevent yourself from this disease. God bless all of you. And there's a series of news which took place during last week as Diego Maradona, the soccer star, the football star, passed away 3 days back at Argentina at the age of 60, and the reason is told the cardiac arrest. Due to cardiac arrest, he left at the age of 60, and especially on his credit is the Soccer World Cup Football 1986, in the final of which his goal, which was called the goal of God's hand. There was the hand of God in that goal that was very famous, and there was a history behind this God's hand. What was the hand of God behind that goal? That is another story I'll be sharing with you some other time. And Bakhtawer Bhutto Zardari, the daughter of ex-Prime Minister Mohtarama Benazir Bhutto Shaheed, got engaged yesterday, but unfortunately his only brother Bilal Bhutto Zardari could not participate in the engagement ceremony of his sister because he is declared COVID positive. So it was very unfortunate that his brother could not attend. Of course, he extended his blessings to his sister, but physically he was not there and he could not attend that gathering, which was yesterday at Bilawal House, Karachi, the provincial capital of Sindh. Dr. Abdul Jabbar Abid Laghari, the noted poet and senior researcher, ex-director, former director of Shah Waliullah Academy, Hyderabad, passed away a few days back, and this is a sad news for Sindhi literature and the students of Sindhi literature, because for a short period he also taught the students of Sindhi literature at University of Sindh Jamshoro. I met him for several times. In fact, he was one of the friends and contemporary poets of Maqsood Gul, and we attended a lot of television mushairas at Pakistan Television. He used to be the poet of a lot of mushairas which were conducted by me from 2007-2008 to the date. So these were some of the news which took place during the last week. Let's listen to the voice of Rahmat Mirali in Indus Melodies.
सारो हूंदे आब अखिन दई आब अखिन महारो दई दरजे हर हर खड़के ते 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 नेण खणी तन्हारो दई नेण खणी तन्हारो दई केॾो मूंखे सारो दई केॾो मूंखे सारो दई आब अखिन महारो दई आब अखिन महारो दई मुंहिंजी यादुनि खे ओ समी 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 आरस भञंदे टारियो दई आरस भञंदे टारियो दई केॾो मूंखे सारियो दई केॾो मूंखे सारियो दई आब अखिन महारो दई आब अखिन महारो दई
All right, folks, we were listening this song by Rahmat Mirali in Indus Melodies, which is being broadcasted from Radio Voice of Sin, London. And hey kids, this is a poem for you, and you might have heard this poem, you might have read this poem in your course. I think this is in Sindhi Chon Kitab, the 3rd grade textbook of Sindhi, which is Mehnat Kartu Mehnat Bar, which is written by Muhammad Siddiq Musafir. Muhammad Siddiq Musafir was not only a poet, but an educationist from the Lard part of Sindh. He was from Tandobago, near Badin, district Badin, and this was written by Muhammad Siddiq Musafir, and this is a children's rhyme, and this show is for everybody, for children also. So if you are a child and if you have just read this poem in your course, this is a gift for you. And if you are an adult, you must have read this rhyme while you were a child. So recall your childhood and listen to this children's rhyme written by Muhammad Siddiq Musafir. And right now, 2 voices are singing this rhyme, which are Mazhar Hussain and Humaira Sarang. And Mazhar Hussain and Humaira Sarang are pretending to be 2 children. Let's listen to this children's rhyme. Mehnat Kartu Mehnat Bar. Please hard work if you want to be successful in your life. Here we go.
मेहनत कर तू मेहनत बार मेहनत साथी दे होशियार मेहनत कर तू मेहनत बार मेहनत साथी दे होशियार मेहनत साथी दे होशियार वहजी सहजी नेरन खाई उजरा कपड़ा पहरे भाई मकतब देखी तुर्त तैयार मकतब देखी तुर्त तैयार मेहनत कर तू मेहनत बार बुध तू बार ही सा लाए जो तो खे उस्ताद पढ़ाए घर में पिण तू उनखे सार घर में पिण तू उनखे सार मेहनत कर तू मेहनत बार माइट मिट तोखे भाईंदा संगती साथी पिण चाहींदा थींदो तुंहिंजो नामाचार थींदो तुंहिंजो नामाचार मेहनत कर तू मेहनत बार जेको मेहनत खूब करे थो पंहिंजे कम ते ध्यान धरे थो पंहिंजा थींदा बेड़ा पार पंहिंजा थींदा बेड़ा पार मेहनत कर तू मेहनत बार मेहनत कर तू मेहनत बार मेहनत सां थींदे होशियार मेहनत कर तू मेहनत बार मेहनत सां थींदे होशियार मेहनत सां थींदे होशियार मेहनत सां थींदे होशियार मेहनत सां थींदे होशियार मेहनत सां थींदे होशियार
So folks, this was Mehnat Kar Tu Mehnat Bar. Work hard, work hard, work hard and work hard, because this is not only the message for children, but this is the all-time message for every age, because without work hard, nothing is possible. As Ustad Bukhari said in a four-liner, in a chausatro, in a qatto, that khalqat sudki ghurandi aahe, izzat azmat shuhrat daulat. खलकत सुडकी घुरंदी आहे इज़त अज़मत शोहरत दौलत कुदरत मुर्की चवंदी आहे मेहनत 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 मेहनत. When the folks are hawking for, are requesting for respect, dignity, the fame and the money, Kudrat Murki chaundi aahe, the divine smiles at them and suggests the only solution, that it is work hard, work hard, work hard and work hard. Do work hard and get your goal, what you want to achieve. So this was the poetry of Muhammad Siddiq Musafir, sung by Mazhar Hussain and Humaira Sarang as children voices. Pretending like children, and this was a children's rhyme. We all have read this rhyme in class 3 or class 4. I don't know in which class that was, but I think, as far as I remember, that was in class 3, Sindhi Triyon Kitab. You are listening to Indus Melodies live from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. This is me, Yasir Kazi, with you and taking you all to the voice of Muhammad Yusuf. And this is the poetry of Zulfiqar Syal, saying that it is not possible that our beloved may meet us each day. I may be able to see my beloved. That is impossible. That is not my fate. That is not my luck to see him every day. Here we go.
रोज सासा मोहब्बत मिलन रोज सासा मोहब्बत मिलन अहड़ा पंहिंजा भाग किथे सुहणा साजन साण हुजन अहड़ा पंहिंजा सां मुहब मिलन अहिड़ा पंहिंजा भाग किथे सुहिणा साजन साण हुजन अहिड़ा पंहिंजा भाग किथे रोज़ सां मुहब मिलन सपना पंहिंजन नेणन में पल पल हा ऐं ॾाढा हा सपना पंहिंजन नेणन में पल पल हा ऐं ॾाढा हा पल पल हा ऐं ॾाढा सपना साभिया सभु माणन सपना साभिया सभु माणन अहिड़ा पंहिंजा भाग किथे सुहिणा साजन साण हुजन अहिड़ा पंहिंजा भाग किथे रोज़ सां मुहब मिलन हिकिड़ो प्यार ज़माने खे भरपूर बणाइण लाइ काफ़ी हिकिड़ो प्यार ज़माने खे भरपूर बणाइण लाइ काफ़ी भरपूर बणाइण लाइ काफ़ी सारा गॾिजी साण हलन सारा गॾिजी साण हलन अहिड़ा पंहिंजा भाग किथे सुहिणा साजन साण हुजन अहिड़ा पंहिंजा भाग किथे रोज़ सां मुहब मिलन सारी वस्ती वंड विरहाए नगर नगर थो जश्न मल्हाए सारी वस्ती वंड विरहाए नगर नगर थो जश्न मल्हाए नगर नगर थो जश्न मल्हाए मन अंगण ते मोर नचन मन अंगण ते मोर नचन अहिड़ा पंहिंजा भाग किथे सुहिणा साजन साण हुजन अहिड़ा पंहिंजा भाग किथे रोज़ सां मुहब मिलन सहरा वांगुर वीरा आहे तो बिन जण ते हयाती पंहिंजी सहरा वांगुर वीरा आहे सहरा वांगुर वीरा आहे पर जे सुहिणा साण रहन पर जे सुहिणा साण रहन अहिड़ा पंहिंजा भाग किथे सुहिणा साजन साण हुजन अहिड़ा पंहिंजा भाग किथे रोज़ असां सां मोहब मिलन रोज़ असां सां मोहब मिलन अहिड़ा पंहिंजा भाग किथे सुहिणा साजन साण हुजन अहिड़ा पंहिंजा भाग किथे रोज़ असां सां मोहब मिलन
All right, listeners, we were listening the voice of Ustad Muhammad Yusuf, and you are listening to Indus Melodies Radio. Voice of Sindh London is airing this weekly radio show, Indus Melodies, like every Saturday, and this is our 13th week. This is program number 13 of season number 1 from Radio Voice of Sindh London. And before that, we have been doing this show from Voice of Youth Radio FM 99, which used to be aired from Hyderabad, Dadu and Tandu Lahar, and the frequency was FM 99, FM 99. I'm going to include here the voice of Rehana Yasmin, and I hope you would love to listen this song by Rehana Yasmin. Here we go.
तो बिन जयकार न विहाणी ताजगी आई आहे गमन में तू ही जी जुदाई खाक उनमें ताजगी आई आहे गमन में तू ही जी जुदाई खाक उनमें हर हर बर जी आयो पानी गणता डुखने जे हुई आखाणी तो बिन जयकार न विहाणी बेजबिनी रुख सत था तारा क्या उम्मीद जा खत्म सहारा बेजबिनी रुख सत था तारा क्या उम्मीद जा खत्म सहारा रोयो मां कदिए परचाणी गणता डुखने जे हुई आखाणी तो बिन जयकार न विहाणी गणता डुखने जे हुई आखाणी तो बिन जयकार न विहाणी
Alright, folks, this was Rehana Yasmin singing Tobin Jekaren Vihani, the night which I passed except you, missing you, without you. That was a gloomy night. That was a darkest night. That was one of the darkest nights of my life. And this was sung by Rehana Yasmin. You're listening to Radio Voice of Sin London, and this is Zulfiqar Ali singing a very light song written by Imdad Hussaini. Toke samund si mukhe miliya khushi when I met you. It was a huge pleasure for me to see you, to meet you. This is a beautiful song by Zulfiqar Ali. Let's listen to the song.
तुखे सामुंड सी अज मिलिया खुशी तुखे सामुंड सी अज मिलिया खुशी तुखे सामुंड सी मुंहिंजी आहे बुसी तो बिना जिंदगी मुंहिंजी आहे बुसी तो बिना जिंदगी तो बिना जिंदगी तो बिना जिंदगी तो के सामुंड सी अज मिलिया खुशी तो के सामुंड सी सामुंड सी अज मिलिया खुशी तुखे सामुंड सी बादल जे पुठा चंद जड़ लिखी चंद जड़ लिखी तुखे सामुंड सी अज मिलिया खुशी तुखे सामुंड सी मां पुकारे थकुस हाणे तू आहली हाणे तू आहली हाणे तू आहली तुखे सामुंड सी अज मिलिया खुशी तुखे सामुंड सी अज मिलिया खुशी
Welcome to the show, folks. You're listening to Radio Voice of Sin London, and Radio Voice of Sin London is presenting Indus Melodies live like every Saturday. And along with this show, we meet twice a week in Suraj Shaakhon Ka Diyun. The sun has spread its rays on Tuesday and Friday, and that is a disc jockey breakfast morning show which airs at 10 o'clock in the morning as per Pakistan Standard Time every week, twice a week. And these are the beautiful voices of Abida Parveen and Ustad Muhammad Yusuf. Let's enjoy this duet.
मुंहिंजो प्यार तुआ साहु सिंगार तुआ 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 लगा नवा नवा नीह भला धार रहूं थी शरण धार थियूं परे पल न जियूं जिय जी यार तुआ हिय जो हार तुआ मुंहिंजो प्यार तुआ साहु सिंगार तुआ हल त हल वड़े पार जिते पल जे पियो प्यार माण्हू अहिड़ो हली प्यार जंहिंजो आर न को पार रूह में रंग रचन अंग उमंग नचन जिए जिनसार तुआ सुह संसार तुआ मुंहिंजो प्यार तुआ साहु सिंगार तुआ खणज पेर मथा छमकी पवई छेर तेरी प्यार चुमे पेर छो न छमके भला छेर छम छम छेर करे मन में रंग भरे मिठो मन ठार तुआ दिल जो दिलदार तुआ मुंहिंजो प्यार तुआ साहु सिंगार तुआ मुंहिंजो प्यार तुआ
Mujo Pyar Tua, you are my love and you are my beloved and you are my cherished one and you are the most important person, individual of my life. This was a beautiful duet by Ustad Muhammad Yusuf and Abida Parveen, and the composer pair was Ghulam Nabi Abdul Latif, and I'm sure you are aware of the difference between couple and pair. When we say couple, it addresses to one male and one female. Two things among which one is male and one is female, that refers to couple. And when we say pair, pair means two females or two males. So it addresses to gender. If the gender is same, that would be called as pair, and if the gender is different, that would be called couple. Whether it is a couple of humans or birds or animals or anything which is usable thing, because the usable things are also addressed as male and female. As glass is a male, and table is a female, chair is a female, sofa is a male. So we refer to various things like male and female, and that same reference difference applies on cities also. When we pronounce Karachi in Sindhi, that refers to as a female city, Saji Karachi. But when we refer to Ladkano, that would be referred as male, Sajo Ladkano, Saji Ladkano. We will not say Saji Ladkano. The whole Ladkano, it would refer as male. Thatto is a male and Bandhi is female. Sanghar is male, Moro is male, whereas Kandyari is female, Mitti is female. So we refer to various cities as male and female, and that refers to the nature of that word, that how we pronounce it. So this is a long discussion, and we would be discussing about this topic some other times, but right now I'm taking you to the lyrics of Hafiz Hamid Shah, composed and sung by Ustad Feroz Gul. Here we go.
अखड़न ठार आओ अखड़न ठार वहलो कीम हो वहलो कीम वन आओ अखड़न ठार पेर दई पिंबिणन अखियों ओ ताक कर पेर दई पिंबिणन अखियों ओ ताक कर ताठरन नित नार ताठरन नित नार वहलो कीम हो वहलो कीम वन आओ अखड़न ठार आओ अखड़न ठार का घड़ी गड घार तागू दर लहन का घड़ी गड घार तागू दर लहन गम संदा गम खार गम संदा गम खार वहलो कीम हो वहलो कीम बन आओ अखड़न ठार आओ अखड़न ठार हामिद सा हली है कर हबीब होत हामिद सा हली है कर हबीब कर खिले खेकार कर खिले खेकार वहलो कीम हो वहलो कीम बन आओ अखड़न ठार आओ अखड़न ठार वहलो कीम हो वहलो कीम बन आओ अखड़न ठार
Akintara, come to me, my Quratul Ain. Quratul Ain means one which is the matter of coolness for your eyes. Qurat means coolness, the coldness, something which relieves your sight. Ain means eye. Quratul Ain means the coolness of your eyes. Akintar, come to me, my dear, and by seeing you, I feel a matter of relief in my eyes, in my sight. And these lyrics were written by Hafiz Hamid Shah and sung by Ustad Feroz Gul. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sin London, and Radio Voice of Sin London is going to air Indus Melodies, the weekly English show. And in Indus Melodies, I'm going to make you listen the beautiful melody sung by Abida Parveen, written by Taj Al Bewas, which says, Sindhadi Muhji Ambad Tosa Na To Shal Nibhaya. May I be able to be sincere with you, O my dear homeland Sindh, forever, for all my life, throughout my existence. Let's listen to this promise. Let's listen to this pray for the homeland by Abida Parveen, written by Taj Al Bewas. Here we go.
पटग धुरु लोहा लिंग संदने डाढ़ुआ दाना डंडड़ा 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 हो डाढ़ुआ दाना डंडड़ा कजला नीण कुहने सिंधन सबा झिड़ने सिंधन सबा झिड़ने सूह बधाई सिंध जी सिंधड़ी मुंहिंजी साईं ओ सिंधड़ी मुंहिंजी अमड़ तो साना तो शाल निभाया सिंधड़ी मुंहिंजी अमड़ ओ जीजल मुंहिंजी साईं तो साना तो शाल निभाया ना तो शाल निभाया ना तो शाल निभाया अला झोली कहें आसी अविसरे मियाँ है फितनी थे हो है फितनी थे हो वतन जिनी विसारियो झर ऐं काजू झर ऐं कारूं झर जा सिंधुअ खे सूर सुणाया झर ऐं कारूं झर जा सिंधुअ खे सूर सुणाया मिठड़ी तुंहिंजो खीर प्यारल मिठड़ी तुंहिंजो खीर प्यारल मुर्की शाल मल्हाया सिंधड़ी मुंहिंजी अमर ओ सिंधड़ी मुंहिंजी साण तो साना तो शाल निभाया ना तो शाल निभाया ना तो शाल निभाया अल्लाह झोले चंद झुलाया मोला झोले चंद झुलाया सिंधड़ी मुंहिंजी साण ओ सिंधड़ी मुंहिंजी अमर तो साना तो शाल निभाया सिंधड़ी मुंहिंजी दीदल तो साना तो शाल निभाया फुटंदे फाल विधम वेही चले ओ वठामी हमली रते मारन का हमाल हैफ मुहिंजे हाल हैफ मुहिंजे हाल जो मुंद सारो ना मरा शाल निभाया अल्लाह झोले चंद झुलाया मोला झोले चंद झुलाया सिंधड़ी मुंहिंजी साण ओ सिंधड़ी मुंहिंजी अमर ओ सिंधड़ी मुंहिंजी दीदल तो साना तो शाल निभाया ना तो शाल निभाया ना तो शाल निभाया अल्लाह झोले चंद झुलाया मोला झोले चंद झुलाया सिंधड़ी मुंहिंजी साण ओ सिंधड़ी मुंहिंजी ओ सिंधड़ी मुंहिंजी
All right, listeners, all right, friends. So you were listening to the voice of Abda Parveen singing the poetry of Taj Al Bewas. And right now, in Indus Melodies, I'm going to take you to another beautiful melody, which is called a kafi, as per the genre of music, of Sindhi music. A lot of genres of Sindhi music, but mainly those are distributed in 11 genres. And this is a kafi sung by Ustad Muhammad Yusuf and addressing to Marui, who is remembering relatives in the palace of Umar Sumro. Let's listen to this beautiful kafi in Indus Melodies.
जित झांगी उत झूपड़ा जित पखा उत पहाड़ उठो आधी रात जो तू कन धनार करहा काम हलामते बेवस बेअख्तियार हिन मुंद वलिन वासिया ढोलिया ढिंगर ढार पाए पांद किचिय में चुंडिन लाल लियार अहड़ा जिनी पार से किया विसरन सुमरा हो जित लियार पेरू पतन ते पचन था हो जिते लियार पेरू पतन ते पचन था उतम जमारू हो मयारू जन था वाला जिते लियार पेरू पतन ते पचन था हो जिते लियार पेरू पतन ते पचन था उतम जमारू हो मयारू जन था वाला जिते लियार पेरू पका बेर चूंडिन पटन ते पहाड़ूं पका बेर चूंडिन पटन ते पहाड़ूं चंदन लाम लोडे सदन थियूं संघारूं चंदन लाम लोडे सदन थियूं संघारूं जिते वग वथाणन में दोथी दुहन था हो जिते वग वथाणन में दोथी दुहन था उतम जमारू हो मयारू जन था वाला जिते लियार पेरू पटन ते पचन था जिते लियार पेरू पटन ते पचन था उतम जमारू हो मयारू जन था वाला जिते लियार पेरू झांगी जित झूपड़ा उत ढाटी मुंजा ढोल काल पिया मुकन ते बाबी हल जा बोल मेरे मकमलीर में झांगिन भरिया झोल बेवस चिक्या बंद में संधा हियड़े होल हित पवन हथ कड़ो लहुत खंड मिलाइन खीर में किथा कांग आया किथे से कहीरा किथा कांग आया किथे से कहीरा वाहिरन दे वापस वलर सब वहीरा वाहिरन दे वापस वलर सब वहीरा मगर चाक कोतन में मुझा चिकन था हो मगर चाक कोतन में मुझा चिकन था उतम जमारू हो मयारू जन था वाला जिते लियार पेरू पटन ते पचन था हो जिते लियार पेरू पतन ते बचन था उता मुंहिंजा मारू हो मयारू जन था वला जिते लियार फेरू ककोरिया लखे लाल लियार मादर मुंहिंजी मागते उठा मींह अपार हिन मुंद वलिन वासिया पखा ऐं पहार पका पेरूं पट ते ॾोघा मोड़नि डार मारू मुल्क मली रजा बेवस बेअख्तियार बसी में घमलार मारुन माल उथारिया जिते संगुन साथी उते व्या उकारे जिते संगुन साथी उते व्या उकारे तॾहिं वेठा बेवस के शायद विसारे तॾहिं वेठा बेवस के शायद विसारे नकी पाण आया नकी सॾ ॿुधनि था हो नकी पाण आया नकी सॾ ॿुधनि था उतां मुंहिंजा मारू हो मयारू जन था वला जिते लियार पेरूं पतन ते बचन था हो जिते लियार पेरूं पतन ते बचन था
Alright listeners, these were the colors of our today's show, Indus Melodies, and this is the time to wrap up the show, to wind up the show, to say you goodbye. And nowadays when we say you goodbye, it is about the time of the day end, because if you listen to this show in Islamabad, it's a sunset time around 5 p.m. and if you listen to this show in Karachi, around after half an hour or 35 minutes or 40 minutes, it is the time of sunset. So the day is about to end, and this is also the seasons of weddings and marriages and engagements and other gatherings. So if you go to gatherings, please take care of SOPs of Corona, because this is very dangerous spike of Corona. Please use face masks and please maintain social distancing. I'm extremely grateful to those who are still extending their positive feedback, their praises, their appreciations for two of our episodes. One which was aired from Lok Virsa, and we aired it live from the Sindh Pavilion of Lok Mela 2020, which was the week before yesterweek. 2 weeks back, I did a live show of Indus Melodies from Lok Virsa Islamabad, live from Lok Virsa Islamabad, talking to the artisans who were placing their stalls there. You liked that show, and also you extended your appreciation, a lot of appreciation, more than my expectations about the very first Aero transmission, which was program number 23 of Suraj Shakhun Kadhiyu, my morning breakfast disc jockey show, which I aired from the aeroplane while traveling from Islamabad to Karachi, and that was warmly received with open arms by everybody, not only by our listeners but also by Sindhi press, by our friends, our well-wishers, and especially those who love Sindhi culture and music and broadcasting. Those all have received this program with open arms. Thank you very much to all of those. Thank you very much to all of you that you spared your time to listen to this show and rest of my shows. If you want to extend your feedback, if you feel like extending your feedback about this show or my yester shows, you can extend your feedback definitely. We'll be more than glad, and you are more than welcome to extend your feedback. My email address is djasirkazi@yahoo.com, djyasirqazi@yahoo.com, or fmwyq946@gmail.com, fmwyq946@gmail.com. If you want to follow me on Twitter, my Twitter handle is @RJ Yasir Kazi, @RJYASIRQAZI. If you want to follow me on Facebook, my Facebook page is facebook.com/DJ Yasir Kazi, DJYASIRQAZI. If you want to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is with the name of Yasir Kazi, YASIRQAZI, or if you want to write the address directly in the address bar, that would be youtube.com/FMWQY. So I'll be waiting for your feedback for this show, for my Yester shows, for my Sindhi shows, for my English shows, for Indus Melodies, for Suraj Shahun Kadiyo, and other presentations, other recordings which we keep sharing with you through our YouTube channel. I'm also grateful to my friend, my brother Sarvesh Udo, who is the program coordinator of this program, and my respectable Imdad Udo Saab, who is the CEO of Radio Voice of Sindh London and transmission in charge of this transmission of Radio Voice of Sindh London. So listeners, this is my last show of November, because I'll be meeting now on December 1st, 2020, which would be Tuesday, and that would be Suraj Shahun Kadiyo, my morning show, and that would be the show number 27 of season number 3 of Suraj Shahun Kadiyo. And we are going to end today's show with Ho Jamalo. Jamalo, which is a festive song sung at the end of every celebration, which is a celebrative song and which is a victory song. And right now this Jamalo is sung by Runa Laila, and this very song is selected from the Sindhi movie Noori Jam Tamachi. Let's listen to this Jamalo and let's wrap up the show with Ho Jamalo. See you on December 1st, Tuesday, after the gap of 2 days. Till then, remember me in your prayers, and I'll be remembering you in my best wishes and prayers. God bless you all. This is me, Yasir Kazi, signing off from Indus Melodies, the weekly English radio show of Radio Voice of Sindh London. Aloha. Take care, goodbye, Allah Hafiz, Allah Nigaban, Allah Vai, Jeda Per Teda Khair, Tata and Bye-bye, over and out, and Ho Jamalo.
Ho Jamalo, Ho Jamalo, munjo khatti aayo khair sa. Ho Jamalo, munjo khatti aayo khair sa. Ho Jamalo, Ho Jamalo, Baba Jamalo, Ho Jamalo, Baba Jamalo, munjo Jamalo jatan sa. Ho Jamalo, munjo Jamalo jatan sa. मेरे बड़े मेराण में साईं कंदो छा लिखी छा लिखां छा लिखी छा लिखां ओ सिंध मुंहिंजी अम्मा
दुनिया जा सिंधियो हिक मुठ थी सिंध बचायो
सिंध मुंहिंजी अम्मा सूंह तुंहिंजी अम्मा छा छा लिखी छा लिखां
सिंध जो क़ौमी आवाज़ रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन। रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन पंहिंजी नशरियात में सिंध जी सियासत, समाज, इक़्तिसादियात, तारीख़, क़ौमी उमंगुनि ऐं अख़लाक़ियात मुतलिक़ सिंध जी हक़ीक़ी तर्जुमानी कंदे प्रोग्रामनि खे असराइतो बणाइण लाइ सिंध जे घण घुरनि ऐं धरतीअ सां प्यार कंदड़ अदीबनि, दानिशवरनि, सहाफ़ियुनि, उस्तादनि, वकीलनि ऐं हर तबिके जे मान वारनि सजणनि खे सिंध में शऊरी इनकलाब लाइ सहकार जो सॾु ॾियूं था। अचो त गॾिजी सूफ़ियुनि ऐं संतनि वारी सिंध जो ओज हिक मुठ थी वरी वापसि आणण वारे सफ़र जा साथारी बणिजऊं। हिक नए सुबुह जी शुरूआत जो पड़ाॾो घर घर, ॻोठ ॻोठ ऐं शहर शहर ताईं पहुचायो। शाल सिंध आबाद ऐं ख़ुशहाल थिए, सिंधी माण्हू सुखियो ऐं सताबो थिए।